The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, kiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point rew lak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Fcra University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mawyong Rim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Menteri Kesorkar Jelau Pak Lahkmen Rembui, Badairu Unailam ke UDP, haka hanyau terik Unailar aja penriu ula kentui Kesorkar Pedeng, bahkan penkelano ya ke jing penbaik temai haka Fcra Amendment Bill aja penriu. Dah bapen pau bakani ke bill kan dalak long an kan keta ya ki Balang ya ki Skul, bat kiwe ki Islam terikam ki badan Hapoh ke Jelau Meghalaya. Habakaran sekilap thai kubor Pak Rembui ula ong bakat kum. Ka jing pen bet thma ya kani ka an ka ai bor pan Kurup ya ki jing don jing em pat iki nong kenti lada pen slam lani omla pen thma ya ka sernot jong ka Fcra.
It was introduced and passed in 1976 and repealed in 2010 and brought a new act, and a series of amendments have happened till 2020. Now, this Fcra Amendment Bill 2026, as per media report, it will be introduced next week. This, we as the people of Meghalaya, we have a problem with this amendment. Problem in the sense that the sweeping power given to the designated authority, where the designated authority consists, where the designated authority can seize the property, whether your Fcra license or certificate you are late to renew, or after it is expiry due to some technical issue they have not issued a renewal, or it is been cancelled, or you cannot withdraw. So that means once you register for Fcra, that means till eternity, where until unless you follow everything, then there is a power to seize the property. So this is a very, very dangerous. And moreover, now they have defined that the liability not only with only the office bearer, it is all the key functionary of the trust or organization. They have the personal liability. It's not only the trust liability, it is a personal liability. So this also, it is a very, now who will associate with it? And retrospectively, it is, I think it is just impossible for any organization that to produce all the data, the document which for last 20, 50, 60 years which they are doing. So let's hope that better sense prevail. And we, the church, especially the church organization, should not have. The government should. We are trying to meet the union minister to express or feeling reservation and opposition, and if need be to modify the bill so that all the fund which they receive till the amendment is approved, if it is approved, or passed, if it is passed, that should not be applied. It should apply for the new funding, which whoever want to avail that funding. And number two, we don't want that sweeping power for the district authority to have the power to seize, even if some of the part of the church have been constructed with the help of the foreign donors. So we don't want that to happen. We want that the government should insert the clause that the district authority for the church, for the schools, for the hostels, for the skills institution, for college and university, the district authority, if there is any minor lapses, penalty should be levied, not to seize those property. And also, we also feel that the amendment as it is, it should be modified. There is also a clause in this amendment where due diligence will be taken in the matter related to the church, for the school, but without the proper mechanism, it is very difficult. Because in this area, it is one very crucial factor is that if it is expired, that also has to cease. And now, if you apply pending after apply before time, but they cannot grant you the license or the certificate before expiry, that also they have the power to that property to vest into the district authority. Another thing is that now, if they suspend your license, suspend your registration during the pendency, of that period, the authority, district authority, have the power to manage, control on that property. So maybe it's suspended for 5 years, 10 years, who knows? So that means all these schools, hostels will be under the management of district authority. So let's hope that better sense prevail. Let's hope that the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Home Minister will listen to the voice of the people. We are with the government, with the central government, to root out any NGO which misuse the foreign funds to destabilize the nation. But not exemption should be given for this NGO. And moreover now, do anything with this act. It is only the central government, only with the prior permission of the central government. So it is a blanket power, sweeping power given on this act. So a check and balance in anything should be there. I've only met the Union Minister, and that itself is clear. Ahead of the government, go to Delhi, not only himself with a religious organization, that itself carry a message. But yes, as you said, that we also from our part will try to voice or opposition to certain clause, not to the Fcra as a whole. But we want that some clause should be modified so that this stringent clause should not affect the unity, the diversity, or especially of our state of Meghalaya.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon hauput usam hapedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya kawe kathem arteli ki jala hakabenta jong ka Assam don kumba ar phauteli ki karkhana red category but ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya kate kathan kum ka jaka ka Balang critically pollutant Hang ta ka don ka air quality monitor ka bala pen pau ya ka khubor bala pau perthai. Ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan don tang santali ki karkhana red category. Ka jo ka le air ka baya benta lang. Hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher. De na kata ka daw kini artali ki jala menta ki sedang pen krea bentau ya ka joint action plan.